Guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog, and for today's episode, I'm super excited to be able to finally unbox this sneaker with you. This is a shoe that I've been hunting for the last 3 months. I first saw it on the feet of our fellow sneaker YouTuber friend, Sean Santa Maria. That gives you an idea what this sneaker is, what brand it is. And then our good friend Fred Yu actually sent his pair over for me to unbox, but it wasn't in my size, so I couldn't like buy it off him. But fortunately, one of our reseller friends, the OG reseller friend that I have, Shoe Freak PH, was able to get it for me at a good price in my size. Because every time I would look for it, it would be really expensive. So this time, he found it for me at a really reasonable, competitive price. So I ended up copying it. Guys, this is the New Balance 990 V5 Joker. We'll put it on feet, unbox it, check it out, and let's just enjoy the thrill of finally being able to cop a sneaker that I've been wanting for the longest time, finally now in my collection. Let's go. By the way, before we get started, let me just remind you that Lazada is having their Bounce Back 6/6 sale from June 4 to June 6. So if you are looking for items that will help you bounce back, especially from the pandemic, allow you to be more productive or happier, check them out. Massive discounts up to 90% off across different categories, from your essentials to smartphones, to audio gear such as earphones, true wireless earphones, wired earphones, to TVs, and to even phone accessories such as cases. So check them out. The Lazada Bounce Back 6/6 sale. The link can be found down below. Let me just share what I picked up recently. This is the Logitech Brio. It's like the best webcam that you can buy today, which is kind of important for me because I've been doing a lot of video calls and Zoom calls. So that's one of my purchases so far from Lazada. So check them out, link down below. Okay, so as you guys can see, it comes in the Made in the USA box of New Balance, and this is in size 13. You pop the box open, you have the New Balance tissue paper, and then bam, take a look at that stunning sneaker. This is the New Balance 990 Joker. Now you can actually interpret it as the colors of the Prince of Crime, or you can even take a look at it from a Neo Evangelion kind of color blocking with the green and the violet. I'm more leaning towards the Joker thing though. So let's take a closer look at the sneaker. So you have the New Balance logo in black with some sort of like rubber finish on both sides of the shoe. You have that suede overlays in purple and in green, both on the lateral and the medial side of the sneaker. You have Made in the USA written at the back. It says over here SR86 990 here along the lateral side. And then if you take a look inside the shoe, the insole actually shows the print of the Joker with his green hair and mad looks. So that's what the shoe looks like. Now it comes with black laces default, but you can actually swap it out for the orange flat laces that it comes with if you want it to have a little bit more hype and pop. This one is probably how I'll wear it most of the time. Before we get to the on-feet segment, I just want to show you guys how big of a New Balance fan that I am, specifically the New Balance 990 line. So I did this in my recent room tour. If you guys haven't seen my room tour vlog yet, I'll put the link down below. But as you guys can see, we have the 990 in gray in 2 colors over here. This one is the special 1982 edition. We have it in white, black, and yellow. We have it in white, blue, and red. We have it in all black. This one is the collaboration with Engineered Garments and more New Balance kicks. So what is it about the New Balance 990 that I love? Well, you probably heard me say it several times already on the channel, but it puts a premium over stability and support and not just pillowy cushioning. So this is the type of shoe that you wear for hours on end. You don't get foot fatigue, your feet don't hurt, you are stable, you won't trip over, which is just an amazing thing for people like me who have wide and flat feet. So that's why I'm a huge fan of the New Balance 990 series, and that particular one has been my all-time, like, no, not necessarily grail, but something that I really wanted ever since I saw it worn by Sean. So that said, let's put it on feet, and yeah, let's just enjoy the sneaker. And those are our on-feet shots of the New Balance 990 Joker in both the black and the orange laces. I hope you guys enjoyed the footage. And at this point, before we go, let me just remind you that we have two ongoing giveaways. We're giving away the Redmi Note 9 Pro as well as the A6 Transformer sneakers. Both of them will be drawn this Saturday, so we just have a few more days before we draw the winner. So make sure that you guys subscribe, follow me on Instagram, like my Facebook page, join my Facebook community. All the links can be found down below. And lastly, let me just remind you that we are still taking pre-orders for the Rise Again Limitless shirt. If you buy one, you get free access to the webinar that we're doing this Saturday. That's June 6, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. I'll be joined by Mary Bautista and Marvin Guillermo. We'll be teaching you all about monetization in the digital age, how to make money using your online platforms in digital. So that said, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. As usual, peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.